if you're like me, your AC started just blowing through the dash only, okay? It doesn't blow through any other vents. No matter what you control, it only blows through the dash. First things first, you got about 4 actuator doors located various locations throughout the dash in this car. You got door actuators that control the actual passenger driver temp, the speed at which the air blows out, and you got a mode actuator that controls all this stuff right here. Right now we're going to be focusing on the actuator that controls this stuff. Okay. Right now when you turn on your air, nothing blows throughout here. You've watched all the YouTube videos, you pulled the fuses, you've restarted the car, you started it, to no avail. So what we're going to do, nice easy fix, is you're going to go under the steering wheel. You're going to locate that actuator door. The actuator that controls that mode, okay? That actuator, let's try to get you some light. That actuator, located right here, okay? Here it is, unplug it. Right behind that actuator, you're gonna have this air directional door flap thingy, okay? It's right here. It's this thing. Let's get a hand on it. Okay. It's right behind here. When you pull it down like so, see this thing right here, okay? Goes up, goes farther up, goes all the way down. Right now, this thing in your car, it's stuck in the all the way up position. That's just gonna blow through the dash vents. Get your hand on this once you've unplugged this actuator. Pull this thing all the way down. Pull it, boom, okay? Here's a little door, this thing. Pull it all the way down towards the gas pedal. Once you do that, now it's in a position where it just blows through the dash vents right in your face, how you want it. Let's take a look. As you can see, okay. Again, that door right now on your car is stuck in exact opposite position. So here's that little door, this little thingy. Right now in your car, it's stuck in the all the way up position. That's where you don't want it. But right now it is in that position. So I'm gonna show you. That's just blowing through the defrost vents now. But again, you want this little door flap thingy. You want this thing all the way down. You want it all the way down towards the gas pedal. That will solve your problem. Right now it's all the way up. Let me show you what it does when it's all the way up. No more. Nothing. It only comes through here now. One more time, since my camera work is the worst camera work on all of YouTube. Get up under here, get your hand on that door. pull it all the way down. Hopefully you guys can see this. Pull it all the way down. In doing so, I've just made it so now the air only blows through here. We're good. Small disclaimer, by unplugging the actuator, this becomes null. You can't actually control any of this. But if you're like me in Southern California, it's about 300 degrees right now. Really don't care about my defrost, never need it. Don't care about my feet, care about it blowing in my face. And right now, it's doing exactly that. We're good to go. Don't click, comment, like, subscribe, because I'm a terrible photographer. And if you want to know on actually how to fix it legit, I can make another video on that. As well as if your passenger is only blowing high heat, you got a fix for that too. As you can see, it doesn't come without additional damage, but hey, we got cold air, baby. We good.